Hi everyone, quick video showing you how you can create your own custom index in Optuma. Now I did do an article on this on the blog, so you can go to optuma.com/custom-index and that'll go through the process of why equal weighted is better than price weighted and how you can create it in the custom codes section of Optuma. Now it's that works great if you've just got a few symbols. So in this example I've got 5 for the fang, but if you've got more, there is an easier way to do it now using the market breadth module. Now not all of you will have that add-on module. It's available for all enterprise services clients and for those of you who've bought the separate add-on module. But what we can do is from a list of stocks, so I've got the top 10 US by market cap in a watch list, and I'm going to create a symbol list. So open list as, manual list, new manual list, and I'm going to call this top 10 US. And you can see that's now been added, and that's now there as a symbol list, which we can now use in the market breadth module. So data, market breadth, and I'm going to create a new add item. I'm going to call this, so this ticker symbol, I'm just going to call that the same, top 10 US. The name is going to be top 10 US, and it's equal weighted. So the article explains the difference between price weighted and equal weighted, and but this is a better way to do it, to create an equal weighted index. And the codes to include, I got FANG there because that's what I was testing with for the FANG stocks. But I'm going to select from the list tab. I'm now going to create or select the top 10 US list, and then close. So over the last 10 years on a daily basis. Now this is the key thing we need to change. We recently added, I think with 1.5, was a geometric average. So that's the calculation that will create the index. And all we need to do in the criteria is just take the closing price. So just put close in there, make sure that the breadth action is geometric average, and it's running on the list that you want, and that's it. So I'm now going to build breadth and then double click on that thumbnail there. So this is that equal weighted of the current top 10 throughout over the last 10 years. And you can see we've got a double top there. And now this symbol is in your database, so you can apply any chart layout to it or any tool. So here's the relative index comparison. So over the last year, the top 10 on an equally weighted basis have outperformed the SPX index by 13%. Hope that's been useful. Any questions, please let us know. Thanks very much.